Hey guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. So today I have my friends Peyton, hi, and Lucy. Lucy's never been in a video before. Nope,
Yeah, I'm new.
So today we are going to be doing easy summer looks because it is almost summer. We literally have 1 full week and then 3 days of school.
Well, basically 7 more days of school.
Yep, so we're really excited. So we decided to do a summer look for you guys. And if you see that we're like really dark and kind of sunburned, is we went swimming twice today.
Yeah,
That's
my
3
house and
twice.
then like
Want to see my shoulders? It was Peyton's birthday 2 days ago, just so you know. Anyways, so let's get on with the video. Wait, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and make sure to check out the Daya Daily t-shirts. We're all wearing one because they're awesome.
Yeah.
And I will link those down in the description box below.
Super
And
comfy.
yes, they are. And so now let's get on with the video.
Woo, 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 woo.
Alright guys, so we're first gonna start off.
With foundation.
I have this
Mine.
primer and it's rose water. Oh, that feels so good on my face now.
I want it.
Wait.
Oh, it smells so good.
I know. Alright guys.
We're having a
so,
sleepover tonight. All
we are.
3 of us.
So we are just starting off with the usual.
Foundation. This is gonna look so bright on me. I'm scared. Yes, it is because my sunburn.
Oh.
My super.
Do I do this?
No.
And that was way too much on one cheek, just so you know.
Oh, yay. I don't do makeup. So I'm bad.
You only need to use this much.
Just kidding.
Alright you guys, so
No, I'm not even close on being done.
I am finished, so now I'm going to help them really quick.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so now it is time for
Glad I know.
concealer.
I'm gonna.
It's time for concealer.
Like that.
Okay, so you do it under here. Here.
Oh, yeah.
Then you do it here.
Where?
And here.
No.
On your nose. Alright you guys, so we are done
do that on
with
my eyelid?
concealer.
Actually,
Now we're gonna do the pow top.
listen for everybody. And then you just go all over your face.
Everywhere?
Yep.
Can you help me? I don't know how to
Just
do
do it on
powder.
your face. Look at me.
She did that. She did that. I mean.
So we are done with that. Now it's time to do the eyeshadow.
Oh.
Yes, the best part. So I'm doing like a pinkish purple.
I'm doing
I
like-
mean pinkish rosish.
I'm doing like pink right there, and then like yellow right there, and then like blue right there. I think. Or no, blue, yellow
Where
right
is
there,
that
blue right
on
there.
I'm using the James Charles palette.
We are using the
Flamingo.
Flamingo eyeshadow palette.
This one.
This one right there. I'm using
Island.
right there. I'm using Coral, Lemonade, and Oceanfront for my whole look.
All right, guys. So I'm using the color, like this coralish color, sort of.
The coral color that I showed you guys.
And she's using Island. Like we also showed you.
Now I'm using this TNC brush. And I'm using coral again, and I'm gonna go under my eye.
Oh yeah.
Like a little bit.
We're gonna finish and we will be back.
I have tape on my face
So do
because I have.
I don't.
Oh.
We're gonna do some eyeliner.
I'm gonna look at theirs, and if I like it, I might do it. But this is my look.
This is mine.
gonna
I
watch
really
it.
hope I don't mess this up.
That'd be just sad. Let me see. Oh, what? What?
What's that?
Let me see. Oh, look at how cool that looks.
That's cool.
I'm scared. Should I do it? I'm not gonna do it actually. I'm scared I'm just gonna mess up, and I like it. What? It looks good.
Looks so weird. It's so thick.
Are you freaking? Okay, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm starting all over.
Peyton, no,
It looks good.
All right, you guys. So we finished our eyeshadow and eyes and stuff. Okay, yes, they can see.
And mascara.
So
And
I
eyeliner.
forgot to close the lid on this.
Oh yeah, they did eyeliner. I didn't, if you can tell.
But anyways.
Now we're gonna do blush.
Sure.
I want it next. That was a lot. Why'd you get more?
I don't know.
Does that look weird? Let me see.
Just this one.
Hey, you're telling the truth. Good job. What, she doesn't? No. Every time she's like, I'm like, does this look bad? And she's like, no.
That is not what I do.
Yes,
you
you make it
I'm not
so
like this.
obvious.
It's not like.
One of these. Okay, where do you put it, Daya? There. Okay. Okay, guys. Now time for the. Oh yeah. What did
Lucy,
you
I
give
know
me?
which one. I forgot to do bronzer, so I'm gonna do
Oh
that.
yeah,
for
we
you
have to
guys.
do bronzer on my lipstick, but it's fine. What are you doing, brother? I have to watch you. Sorry, I'm new.
This will be fine. So I'm gonna do some bronzer real quick. You guys?
Just on your cheeks, bro?
Kind of. You do it. Alright guys, so now we're doing bronzer and we are using a butter bronzer.
Yeah. Here.
I wanna see if you I wanna make it a surprise.
It's really cute. Okay.
Are you sure it's gonna look good?
Yes. It's
You're
really
pranking
cute.
me.
No, I'm
No,
not.
don't look.
Look. I knew it. You guys are so mean.
Look what they did.
I took it off. Meanies.
What
It was
color
the
should I
yellow.
actually do? This one.
I don't know if the other side's ready or not, but I hope those hit. Wait. I hope you hit those ghost strings on 2 wheels. I hope you mention in the sky's got a 10-acre field with some mud and some hoods you can knock it. Anybody can be good ones. He's good all the time. He's one of the good ones. And he's all mine.
I hope you guys enjoyed our summer looks. It was
Yeah,
a
it
little
was
crazy.
Really fun, but really crazy.
But I think they look super cute and
I love my eye look.
yeah, they're really pretty. But anyways, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe as well.
And punch that like button.
So thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Ooh. Our hand motions are literally the same. Watch. Do it again.
Woo, 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 woo.
See?
Hey, that's weird. That's better.
And then I use my yeah, I was trying to finish.
Again.
Stop picking it.
Hey, you kept picking that.
No,
so
it fell off.
you
'cause
can't
of
say
you.
anything.
All right, you guys. So, did that hurt?
Yes.